So what we have here is the Pinnacle Max Support Arch Support Insole by PowerStep. I have extremely bad feet and I need the support that an insole gives me in order to make my feet comfortable just walking around or standing. I am very anxious to try these out. I haven't tried them out yet. They have a particularly high arch. Yeah, I'm looking at the computer and it says maximum arch support. The box claims that it will give you relief of overpronation, plantar fasciitis, ankle and knee pain, foot arch and heel pain. The box also says it reduces heat, friction, and perspiration, stabilizes and aligns, and increases comfort and support. The time to open it up, get a close look at it. Here you have the left insole. You can see that it's got a really high arch. The insole itself is very, very stiff through the arch in the heel, but on the bottom of the heel you have this kind of heel pad. That's the way it looks from the full top. That's the way it looks on the full bottom. One more time, we're going to look at it from the arch side. And this is how it would look on the outside of your foot. Again, I want you to pay attention to this very high arch. All that's left to do is take the old insoles out and stick the new insoles into the shoe so that I can try them out. Excuse me, my feet are adjusting to the insole. It feels pretty darn comfortable, very supportive. I like it. Very nice, very good fit and feel underneath it. Yeah, feels pretty good. The PowerStep insole is going to be a great, comfortable addition to my shoe. I am glad that I'm going to be walking around with these underneath my feet. Glad to be able to show them to you in this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching me. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to comment. Love your comments. Love knowing what you think. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to have a wonderful day while you're out there having a wonderful life.